Hey guys! So today we are in the bathroom because we're going to be doing a little bit of reorganizing, namely on my makeup. I have quite a bit of it. I'm not ashamed to say I like me some makeup, but now I just don't know how to organize all of it. So I've got that big white shelf as well as the storage cabinet that you saw, but everything just ends up kind of thrown in drawers and it's just here, there, and everywhere. So it's time to just put a little bit of effort into this and reorganize my makeup so it's a little more functional and so it looks a lot cleaner here in the bathroom. So I did go ahead and pick up a few new organizing items for this project. So the first thing that I got was this little 5-drawer unit from Poshmark, and it's in wonderful condition. I think there's one little scratch, but it's barely noticeable. But I got it for only $9, which is just such a bargain, and I think it's going to be perfect for organizing my makeup. So next up is this vanity organizer, or I'm going to go ahead and say makeup brush holder, that I picked up from Amazon for a few bucks. And I really like that it's separated because I'll be able to do face brushes and eyeshadow brushes in 2 of the little holders. So it'll be great to kind of keep them organized that way. I ended up getting 2 other makeup holders off of Amazon. So first up is this small one with 4 sections, and I think I'm going to use this to hold my foundations and concealers. So last up is this long organizer, and I specifically got this for my eyeshadow palette so that I can stack them by height and easily see what I have. And I'll make sure to leave a link to all of these items that I picked up on Amazon in the down bar below in case you're looking to organize your makeup. Alright guys, so here it is. This is all of my makeup. I went ahead and emptied out my storage cabinet, so this is what we're working with. So I went ahead and brought out this green bag for makeup that I can either donate or give away, as well as an old cardboard box that I'll use for any old packaging or makeup that just needs to go in the trash. But it's time to go ahead and dive into this. So I've gone through everything, and this is what I'll be keeping. So we see all of my mascara and eyeshadows here at the bottom, and then all of my liquid eye products and eye pencils, concealers and eye primers, and then there's my highlighters, face powders, and bronzers, all of my blushes there, as well as all of my brow products, and then we have my foundations, eyeliners, all of my amazing eyeshadow palettes. Oh my gosh, I have so many. And then my makeup setting sprays. So this is what I'll be keeping, and now I've got to figure out how to make it all fit. So here's the bathroom now. I went ahead and took out that white cabinet and cleared off the shelf. So now we're ready to load in the organizers that I got. And voila, everything fits perfectly, and I'm so happy with how it all looks. So now you'll see I have all of my makeup brushes organized by type, which will make it really easy when I'm getting ready. And then in that small organizer, I have all of my foundations and concealers, the powder that I use every day, as well as some very messy beauty blenders. Sorry about that, guys. And then we move on to the bigger organizer, which has my makeup setting sprays, all of my eyeshadow palettes that are organized by size there, as well as my bronzers. I needed somewhere for those to go, and they fit perfectly. And then in that drawer unit, I now have all of my eyeshadows laid out, my mascara, eyeliners, blushes, highlighters. Like, it is so easy to get to everything, and I really like how everything looks as well. It's just so clean, so minimal, and just makes my heart sing. And here it is, all completed. I am seriously so happy with how this project turned out. I think it's going to be so functional, and I just love how everything looks. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to let me know in the comments below or by hitting the like button. And until next time, bye!